Hello, everybody. Good morning and welcome to our Zero Fox Given Mondays. I am Tina.
Hello, I am Zai from the deck.
Yes, and you're here again for another episode, or I think this is our seventh episode for Zero Fox Given, entitled. It's part of the mental health series. Ayan. So today we will be featuring lion's mane and the benefit that it has for your mental health. What else is possible beyond this product?
Lion's Mane is actually one of my personal favorites. Or it's the first supplement that you gave me back in 2016 to assist sa aking mga neuritis. Right. So it has become my favorite DXN product. Yes. So yeah, Miss Tina, you there? Yes, okay. So while waiting for Tita Tina, maybe she is having trouble with her internet connection. So just a little background of our program tonight. So pag-usapan natin ang lion's mane and mental health. So if you have experiences on taking lion's mane, we'd love to hear it from the comments below. Okay. So in my research here, from Healthline, that's healthline.com, lion's mane mushroom and its extract have been shown to have variety of health benefits. So I found 9 health benefits of lion's mane. The first one is it could protect against dementia. So this was actually tested sa rodents pa, but of course we also recognized it sa human. So it also helps relieve mild symptoms of depression and anxiety. Yan yung topic natin tonight. It may speed recovery from nervous system injuries, and it protects against ulcers in the digestive tract. So ito din yung tinatry namin ni Tina, and we also realized and we also discovered na so far, okay naman ang aming stomach. So it protects against ulcers in the digestive tract. It reduces heart disease risk. It helps manage diabetes symptoms. It may help fight cancer. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, and it boosts the immune system. So while these are promising, of course, and I have also tried it myself, we still, if you are also going through something or meron kayong mga illnesses or diseases, this is not actually, you should also seek a medical advice for that and go talk to your doctor. So Tia is back.
Hello, everybody. Sorry, nawala kong pinakalit. Zay, nawala lagi ka. Pagbalik na ko, ikaw nawala. So, okay, we're having a very funny internet connection today. So, lion's mane is really a wonderful product. I have been taking this for the past, how many years na? Many years, but only for the past 2 years, 2 to 3 years, I have been taking this regularly alongside my RGGL. So, dinagdag ko lang siya with my RGGL na ang tawag yan, na supplement, no? So, but what Dr. Lim is saying, na these products are actually called food supplements, but for us as DXN members, it is becoming our main food, while yung mga other food that we have are now just supplements. Ito talaga yung aming main food. And lion's mane is actually a traditional Chinese medicine herb, and ang tawag sa kanya in pinyin is Ho Tu Gu. I don't know how it is pronounced, but it's Ho Tu Gu. Ito siya sa pinyin. So if you go to like traditional Chinese medicine, it's known as Ho Tu Gu. But in Western, it's known as lion's mane. Bakit siya tinatawag na lion's mane? Kasi it grows like the mane of a lion. So yung mukha niya is parang lion's mane. Kaya tawag sa kanya lion's mane. So why is it related to mental health? Kasi yung main function talaga ng lion's mane is for the brain and the nerve. And so that's why kasi malaking factor sa mental health, of course, ang ating brain and the nerves and the nerve functions. So if you supply it with a good herb or a good food for your brain and the nerve, ito yung maganda, si lion's mane. So yung other parang side effect niya na is for you to have a calm mind, you know, and wala yung anxiety and depression. So yan yung kanyang benefit as the herb. Kasi yun nga, there are many reasons why people have depression or anxiety, and one of the factors na hindi natin nirule out is physical. No, it can be you're eating a lot of junk and you're not, you know, consuming the right food for your body, or that will produce good hormones, no, that can give you an awesome feel. So that's why ito yung mga tinatawag natin na light foods, no, light food that is also good for your body. So ito siya. And yeah. So hi Pahila.
I have also, this is really yummy.
And yes, the wonderful thing about lion's mane is it's yummy. It doesn't really taste bad. It actually tastes like neutral to sweet. Yun yung kanyang parang range of taste, diba? There are other herbs na mga bitter herbs, but this one tastes neutral to sweet. So
yes, that is true. So kung inihahalo naman din siya sa coffee, para din siya magalasang yung hazelnut or like almond nuts. So yung pag-usapan kasi hindi namin kanina ni Tina. Okay, so yeah, and pwede din siya panghalo sa luto. Ano lang yan? Ang tawag ito? Yan ang aking ginagawa. So it has also been said na lion's mane mushroom extract has anti-inflammatory effects that can.
Okay, so we lost Zai again. So picking up on her anti-inflammatory effects. So just so you know, this herb is growing in China, India, Japan, and Korea. So it's basically Asian herb, no? So usually it's used as raw, cooked, dried, or minsan it's used in teas, no? Sa mga tsaa natin dyan. So Zai is back. I will continue.
Hello! Masaya din yata ang ating connection.
Kaya nga. So, yeah, what else is possible with our connection, Globe and PLDT? Hello po dyan. Tinatawanan lang a lot of energy pools with
any better?
Yes, how does it get any better than that? Going back. Lion's mane is also very useful. Aside from the brain, it's also awesome sa ating puso and our gut. Okay, so it's brain, heart, and gut. So it's really awesome for the three main organs natin that are very important. All of our organs are very important, no matter how tiny that is. But sa mga major organs natin, which are the brain, heart, and the gut, no, na malaking factors in keeping our other organs also functioning. Kasi, well, if your brain, heart, and gut are functioning well, no, it will manifest in other organs. So we really should take care of these 3 major organs as well. Of course, lahat ng we take care, liver, kidney, and all of that. But yeah, kasi if one malfunctions, like for example, if your brain malfunctions, it will affect a lot of other organs. So if your heart malfunctions, it will also affect other organs. So, and especially the gut. The gut can affect a lot of other organs if it doesn't function well. So again, just to give a disclaimer, what we are doing right now, these are preventative medicine, and we're only taking these products for prevention and not as cure. Okay, if you have an underlying disease, kindly consult your guiding physician for this matter. So, Zai?
Yes, yun. Kindly, consult your physician also. And yeah, prevention is better than cure. Kaya it's really good if we take these food supplements, or we call this our main food actually. So yes, and we are going to introduce another or a new Lion's Mane product.
Yeah.
DXN Lion's Mane product.
Candy. It comes in candy. So now we just launched, we just had this Lion's Mane powder. Ta-na-na. So it's really awesome. So it's now in powder. Yeah. And you have an option. It's either you eat it using your using the powder form, or consume it using the candy if you want to chew it. But if you just like to add it on to your daily juice or whatever that is that you're having in the morning or afternoon or whatever, just add this on. Just 2 spoons of this is okay. So yeah, Lion's Mane. So paano ba siya i-consume? Paano natin siya i-consume? Before that, maybe Zai will give the benefits, yung anti-inflammatory, and continue the...
Nakwento ko na the 9 health benefits.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, yes. Ayan. Okay, since Zai already mentioned the 9 benefits. So ito, Lion's Mane powder can be used topically. No? Pwede natin siyang i-apply to help heal wounds and repair the damage caused to nerve endings due to injury. So some people, they apply it that way. Okay, but of course, use it with a guiding physician involved, or if you're very confident with your body. But yeah, so it's really wonderful for mga nerve endings. Injury also. And also Lion's Mane is very wonderful to boost the immune response that is associated with your intestinal tract. And it helps to protect your body from the pathogens entering the gut through the mouth or the nose. So ang dami niyang benefits.
Wow, ang ganda.
And diba? Yeah. Tapos ito, pwede nyo din siyang ilagay if you're already drinking your DXN coffee mushroom, your Lingji coffee. If you're having your coffee na, just add this on to your coffee. So, kung magtanong kayo, anong lasa? Yung lasa niya lang is parang dinagdagan mo lang siya ng almond milk. So, it doesn't really affect the taste of your coffee that much. So, it's just fine.
Ganyan siya kasarap.
Yes.
It is that yummy.
So
diba?
True.
So, pwede siyang tea na lang. Like, yes, pwede ba siyang yung powder tapos ilagay na lang siya sa hot water?
Pwede. Pwede. Actually, tea. Water. Yeah. It can be added to warm water lang, this one. Yung ito powder lang tapos warm water. So it's also okay. Si Ate Arian, what she did is earlier this morning, I think sinabay niya sa Myco Veggie. Kasi yung Myco Veggie already has lion's mane, pero dinagdagan niya lang ng ganito pa. So yun lang, you just play with our DXN products. All our DXN products are either traditional Chinese medicine-based herbs or in the Ayurveda line. So either or lang magamit natin ng mga herbs. So how did we get so lucky to have really this wonderful herbs with us?
True. And maybe we can also ask Miss Amy and Miss Fahila for some recipe or some concoctions that they make out of the lion's mane. So it will be fun to learn more from them also. And our bubbles.
Yes.
Our favorite bubble.
One day we will invite them. I think we will ask Amy for Myco Veggie, pero she's currently busy. I've been asking her and messaging her, pero sige lang, we will contact her again, diba? Kasi during the lockdown, we were able to invite her because yun na, lockdown. But now things are picking up in Malaysia. And now, you know, they are now admitting a lot of guests in Boulder Valley. And actually, I first tasted this in Boulder Valley. Amy mixed this lion's mane powder with pearl powder sa coffee niya. And that was her breakfast. And this one has a lot of enzymes also. So yung sabi niya yung nagbabubbles daw, yun yung mga enzymes. So when your coffee gets like bubbles, that's the enzyme. So enzyme is really awesome for our digestion. So yon.
So true. And it's good for the liver as well.
Yes, ayun. So ang dami niyang wonderful usage and uses, no? And just to again, what's the benefit of this for your mental health? Kasi yun nga, because that's our topic. It can definitely contribute to you if you're undergoing anxiety or depression, or if someone in your home just add this to their meal. It will not upset the person. Nothing to lose. Nothing to lose when you consume this product. It's just an add-on to what your family is already eating or consuming. So it's also not disruptive. It's a gentle herb, so it doesn't make you I don't know. I haven't experienced detox with this na extreme. Unlike RGGL, RGGL talaga, it has a scanning effect. So lalabas yung mga healing process. Meron siyang healing process. But this one is more of on the preventive side. So it protects your brain, nerve, and gut, and the heart. So yan yung function niya. So yes. Ano pa ba? And sige.
Yeah, I would like to add on what I have found here in Healthline. Researchers believe that lion's mane extract can also help regenerate brain cells and improve the functioning of the hippocampus, a region of the brain responsible for processing memories and emotional responses.
Ayun, processing memories and emotional responses. So that's related to our mental health topic. Welcome back, Zai. We have a very
Okay. Yes, so improved functioning of the hippocampus may explain the reductions in anxious and depressive behaviors in people and in mice with those extracts. So yes, it's wonderful for menopausal women and for yung mga babae na, like yung mga babaeng nag-go through postpartum depression. So you may try taking it for a month and just observe kasi medyo irritable and anxious ang mga menopausal women and yung mga nag-go through postpartum. So yeah, I've been taking it before I got I got pregnant with my second child. So far, I couldn't really tell if I experienced postpartum depression. So yeah, eat healthy. You may add lion's mane to your diet. Because again, like what Tina mentioned, isa din sa factors ng anxiety and depression is the food that we take, diba? So, our health. So, yeah, back to you.
And a lot of people are actually, especially in the West right now, they're actually into mushrooms right now. So there's a lot of resource online about lion's mane mushroom. And yeah, how did we get so lucky to have the best lion's mane product? Diba? So sa walang bias-bias, I could really attest how Dr. Lim is really cultivating our mushrooms in an OC way. Alam niyo yun. He's really awesome in when it comes to knowing the best herb and how to cultivate it really well, so that we maximize its benefits. Okay, so yun talaga. I really have that much confidence with our company. Because I have been to the farm, and we can also visit the farm in the future, as long as this lockdown eases out. Yes, one day, one of our travels, the Fox Tribe, is going to be at the farm so that everybody can see the OC-ness of our company, and how it cultivates our mushrooms really, really well, and how it is being processed. And that wala din siyang mga additives. So there's no additives to this. It's just lion's mane na naging powder. Tapos ito na naging candy. Ayan. So naging candy or tablet.
Yeah.
Yes. So like a candy.
Yes. So mayroong magbabasa ako ng comment, maganda to. I found Mr. Neo Orsine. Lion's Mane recommended also for reviewer preparing for board examinations.
So true, so true. I remember giving this lion's mane to someone I know who's now an architect. While she was taking her board, ito yung in-order niya. And now she's an architect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what else is possible? Of course, she's very intelligent. However, this will help them in studying na hindi sila magbe-brain freeze. No, hindi too much, 'di ba? There is a time where you study or where you use your brain so much, meron tayong na-encounter na brain fatigue. So it will lessen that. It can contribute to you in your studies. So hello to the ladies, Hannah, Fanny, and Ate Jenny. Hello. And of course, hello to all the directors who are watching us. Vanessa Villanueva, Kuya Jun Laura, and Kuya Nino Arcine. Again, and of course, Don Sabio is watching us. So how much?
So,
wait lang.
Hindi ko alam. Should check the price. Please check. So, like order, you may call on. You may contact your favorite DXN distributor, or you go visit the service center.
I will give the price of the lion's mane candy. Yun lang ang may list ako. The customer price is 1,580. It has 120 tablets. Pero yung distributor price niya is 1,315. So, and its points is 432. Ale, pabili po, sabi natin Jenny. Ikaw ang i-contact niyan siya, newer.
Ano ba yan? Yan ang ating star agent na goddess.
Diba? What else is possible? How does it get any better than this? So, ayun. So those are, it's really great. It's 120 tabs na siya. And if you want the powder, meron din ganito. Yung powder lang, I currently don't have the price list for this. I will still have to get it from Ate Arian. Pero yeah, those are the wonderful benefits of our Lion's Mane product and how it can contribute to you for your mental health, for taking care of your mental health. Ayan. And yes, for me personally, I'm gonna be taking it because for my gut, kasi yun nga, I have this wonderful gut journey. I'm having a wonderful gut journey. So this is a wonderful contribution. So for me, minimix ko siya with my coffee. Ayan. So I also tried it kanina. I tasted it like on its own. Yung ginanon ka lang siya. So it tastes very ano lang siya, sweet, neutral to sweet. Yung to the point na wala siyang taste na sweet, yung ganon. And usually 'di ba, yung herbs, there are like bitter herbs, So yung category niya is neutral to sweet yung taste niya. So it's a wonderful added, pwede mo siyang i-add sa any food mo. So sprinkle mo lang siya, ganyan. Of course, for other people na hardcore, gusto talaga nilang i-mix na lang talaga sa water tas inumin diretso. Ayaw nilang i-mix sa kanilang kasi gusto nilang i-consume lahat and making sure na pumasok sa kanilang system. Kasi di ba pag iluto, hindi mo na alam kung saan ang Lion's Mane. So, may iba OC.
Totoo. And I think it's wonderful kasi mas marami na siya. With 1 teaspoon, mas marami ka na matitake compared to tablets.
So true.
How does it get better than this?
Actually, yung aming na-taste talaga, di ba tayo lahat, I think we tasted the Lion's Mane coffee, right, Zaid? You took it, right? And it was so fun taking it. A lot of people had a wonderful experience with the Lion's Mane coffee. Sobrang ang dami nilang downloads when they took kasi it makes your mind clear. It clears your mind. And Lion's Mane coffee is, I think, very popular now in Malaysia. No, I think. So, yes.
Tayo.
Yes. Sana meron tayo next, 'di ba? So also, yun siya. So, yeah, what else is possible? Dami talaga nating products. We just have to maximize it. And for now, I'm also very happy that we have the powder kasi pwede naman natin siyang i-add muna this time with our Lingji coffee or sa black coffee. I think this would be more fun with black coffee. Tapos yun, lagyan ng mint para Christmas na may Lion's Mane, diba? So si Darlene also had a wonderful experience with Lion's Mane. It's like, I don't kasi meron silang suggested usage if you want to experience what they experience, but we won't say it live, okay? Kasi hindi namin sasabihin live kung anong mangyayari. Kasi napaka-interesting. Baka ma-out of stock ang ating powder.
Kaya nga So maybe masarap siya with masarap din siya if with spica tea or something.
Yeah.
I-add siya sa spica tea. Excited na. Let's try that.
Let's try that one when we meet, okay, sa ating Saturdays, one of the Saturdays. We'll mix it with a tea. And let's see how it goes. And we will do a live daw, sabi ni Hannah. No, Hannah will do a Facebook live. She will be the one guesting for the Fox Tribe. So yon, kung ano ang mga feelings natin. So yes, do you have something to announce, Zai? Or you can
so far
experience.
Try that. I'm excited to try the Lion's Mane powder.
Yes, and aside from the Lion's Mane powder, marami pa tayong mga new products na pumasok in the Philippines. We now have the Myco Veggie, which is an explosion of 23 herbs that is really wonderful for your gut again. So I'm really grateful for Dr. Lim for creating this wonderful product line for the digestive system. He really knows this will be my chubanes. So it's so fun to have them. And then we have the jujube fruits. We tasted it last Saturday with everybody in the Fox Tribe and DXN Davao Service Center, and it is so yummy. And I think our stocks are coming pa. Hindi pa dumating ang jujube, but the Myco Veggie is already available. And then we have the cinnamon herb pack. So if you wanted to add, to have it for your soup. So yun, meron tayong, it's a pack that's good for 4 to 5 people. And maybe Zai will make this one for all the sa Sweet Surrender or the bomb.
So, yan naman natin. Yan, i-feature naman natin differently yung si Cinnamon soon.
I-feature natin yung ibang products on a different session. So, yes, thank you everybody for tuning in tonight. And we hope you go to your nearest service center or your uplines and go ask about the Lion's Mane. Our very low-key, hindi siya masyadong but if you know how to really market, this is really awesome. We really take this. It's the best in brain and nerve function. It's also wonderful for Sunya. If you're a Sunya practitioner, it's really wonderful. See colors with us, charot. Yun na yun. I'm giving you hints, charot. So, yes, what else is possible and how does it get any better than this? Thank you for watching us tonight. And Zai, do you have something to add before I show them a video?
All right, yes. So, on Thursday, we're going to have Tea Time Thursday. Ano ang topic natin on Tea Time Thursday? So, yeah, you just watch out. And Wednesday, Fun-Filled Freedom Nights with Nainay.
Yes. So, yeah. So see you. And also always watch our Sunya Sundays translations. And do share your Sunya experience with us so we can also consult with Dr. Lim about your experience or your questions. So, yeah, we hope to see you soon. And please enjoy the video. Wait, that we will be playing. Oh, nawala ang video. So wait lang. Anong nangyari? So we will have this video. Turned off.